Hey guys, in today's video I'll give you a high tea experience and walkthrough of JW Marriott Pune. Tell you what are the good things, what are not so good things, and what are the things which can be improved. So do join me, and if you find the video useful, please remember to like, subscribe and share. Let's get started. There are two options available. In case you do not want to go with the standard basket, you can opt for option 2, which is basically their bakery items in the form of croissants, muffins, pastries, etc. So this is the high tea basket at JW Marriott Pune. You have vada pav, bhakarwadi, pakoras, chakli on the top layer, and in the bottom layer you have avocado toast, red kidney bean toast, mango tart, Dutch truffle pastry, and another dish in white color which I do not know the name of. This basket is basically for 2 people, and if you see the plate here, this is what you get for 1 person. The basket costs 750 rupees, and you will also get tea or coffee. If you do not like the high tea basket, then you have another option. You can go to their baking house called the Pune Baking House, and you can ask them that I want to choose the bakery product. So they let you choose 2 items from the bakery products, which basically comprise of croissant, tea cakes, etc. Then apart from that, 2 products from the pastry section, and apart from that you will have the tea and coffee. So as you can see, this is from the puffs, croissants, tea cake section. You have all these options, few vegetarian, few non-vegetarian. For me, being a vegetarian person, I had around 3 or 4 options. There were 2 type of puff which were available, then there were 2 type of croissants which were available, and then apart from that there was walnut tea cake and normal tea cake. Now these are the pastry options. So you have around 7-8 type of yummy pastries. Most of the chocolate pastries were dark pastries, and then apart from that the mango ones had egg. So you can choose what you want to have, and if you do not drink tea or coffee, you can also tell them, and they will instead give you option of choosing between either fresh fruit juice or milkshakes. And if you do not want pastry, you can try some more croissants which are available here. So all these are the options at JW Marriott for high tea. So guys, the high tea is conducted at Pune Baking Company in JW Marriott Pune, and the most surprising thing which I found there was that it did not have any buffet. In fact, the staff were clueless of what are the options available in high tea. I have experienced high tea in many of the Taj properties so far, and everywhere I have seen that they spread a buffet and we clearly know what we are signing up for. But in this particular property, I had to pay money from my own pocket, and when I asked what will I get in high tea, they were clueless. They just gave me some high level information that there will be a basket and it will have some pre-filled dishes and all that, but what dishes they did not know. Similarly, I asked them to show the photo of the basket and they did not even have that. So that was very strange. Secondly, thing which I did not like was that the basket preparation took almost about 25-30 minutes. So if you are going for a high tea, quick high tea, it's not the right thing for you. But if you are going for a leisurely high tea and you are ready to wait for 25-30 minutes for the basket to be prepared, then yes, you can definitely consider this particular thing in JW Marriott Pune. Now the good thing, the basket is basically meant for 2 people, so everything comes in a pair of 2 and you can enjoy the basket. You will be pretty full after you have finished the basket options. Another good thing which I found was that there are 2 options available in case you do not want to go with the standard basket which prices of all the fried stuff plus some bakery items and other things. You can opt for option 2, which is basically their bakery items in the form of croissants, muffins, pastries, etc. So you can pick and choose what you want, and that I think was really a good thing. The cost of the high tea is 760 rupees, and as I said, this particular basket is for 2 people. So this is my particular experience, and do remember to share it with others. Or if you are having some special occasion, you want to celebrate it without a dent in your pocket, you can always visit the JW Marriott Pune for the high tea experience. So do share this particular video and follow me for more such useful content. Bye.